Hello, in this video we'll discuss the setup of a SIP server. First, we access the InterSIP server interface. The IP address will be provided on the box. Then we enter our username and password. The username and password can be found in the user manual. If you can't find them there, you can contact our authorized personnel. Then we log in. Once logged in, you'll see options for trunks, operations, and extensions on the page. On the right side, you'll find system information including general, network, memory, and disk details. Let's start by configuring the network settings. Click on the Network button. Here we select Static for the network type. Then we enter the IP address, netmask, gateway, and DNS. After that, we click the Update button, and the entered information will be transferred to the device and it will restart. Now let's add a user for the device. First, we go to the Users page. Then we click on Create New User to open the Addition page. Here we need to specify an extension address. Let's set it to 5000. Then we enter the caller ID name, let's say Touch Panel. You can customize the other options according to your preferences. Since it's SIP, it comes with SIP settings by default. The touch panel receives audio via SIP and video via plus SP protocol. If you want to receive video via SIP, you can select the third, fourth, or fifth option from the third drop-down. The distributor and collector addresses for video should be the same. You can assign the MAC address of the device or the extension number. After that, we click the Save button. When we return to the home page, the extension appears as 5000 in the extensions list. Clicking on Apply Changes will transfer this information to the device. In the Ring Groups section, we can ring multiple devices simultaneously or sequentially. Let's create a new group and name it Villa. Here we can adjust the settings according to our preferences. Adding devices to the group allows us to call all devices by dialing this number. There are options to call all at once or in sequence under Strategy. In seconds to ring each member, we can specify the interval between calls for each device. Additionally, you can set options like Connect to operator if not answered, or call another panel if the call is unanswered. Clicking Save creates the ring group. After making changes, clicking Apply Changes on the home page will save the changes and transfer them to the SIP server. I'll show you how to register the touch panel to SIP. First, we right-click on the relevant server and click on the General Settings page. From there, we open the SIP Settings page. Here we enter the SIP server IP address, username, password, and display name. We fill in this section according to the information in the SIP server's extension section. Then we save it and go to the device map. In the device map, we select the relevant server and upload SIP from the top. After clicking Upload SIP and then the OK button, we access the SIP server. When the relevant extension is marked green on the SIP server, it means our device has registered to SIP. If the extension is not green, it means the device has not registered to SIP. For more of our training videos, follow the playlist and please subscribe.